Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So good to have you here with me today. So today we're going to talk all about moisturizers, and it's that time of the year. We are in the winter season. A lot of us tend to have dry or like very dry skin this time of year. I naturally have more oily skin, but definitely this time of year, hands down, my skin is way more dry, and I'm definitely in need for more like intense, deeper moisturizers. So that's what we're going to talk about today, because there's definitely moisturizers that are good, and then there's loads and loads of moisturizers out there that do nothing for your skin. There's so many on the market out there that claim all these things, you know, about hydrating your skin and this and that. But honestly, a lot of moisturizers out there are just formulated with a lot of ingredients that sit on the surface of your skin. They make your skin feel like temporarily hydrated, temporarily smooth, but then when you wash them off, you're back to dry skin, and that you just don't want that. You want to avoid that. It's a waste of money for number one, but you want something that's going to really actually benefit your skin, heal your skin, repair your skin, and obviously hydrate from within. So that's what I'm going to share with you guys today. So before I dive into what to look for and my favorite go-to products, favorite moisturizers right now, before I dive into that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Join my channel. We're all about getting the best skin of your life. Also makeup tips and tricks for as we get older here and all of that fun stuff. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video, and let's dive into the best moisturizing products. Okay, so like I was telling you guys, there's obviously so many moisturizers out there. It's like overwhelming how many moisturizers are out there. Of all the different skincare products out there, I feel like we're just like surrounded by an insane amount of like moisturizing products. So that's what I want to really share with you guys today, ones that truly work for you, because you want a product, any skincare product, to be really working for you. You don't want something that's just going to be sitting on the surface of your skin and not doing anything. And that's what a majority of skincare out there, that's basically what it's doing. It's just sitting on the surface of your skin to really not getting down and really doing its job for you. So what we really need to look for again is ingredients, and not just ingredients, but formulations, percentages of ingredients, delivery systems. All of that is what makes a skincare product super effective. You could have active ingredients, like the same active ingredients in two different products, but if it's not formulated correctly and if it doesn't have a delivery system, they're completely different products. The one that has the formulation and the delivery system is gonna get to where it needs to go and actually give you the results. So it's all about, all of that combined. So the ingredients for a moisturizer that's gonna really, really heal your skin, repair your skin, and hydrate your skin, the ingredients that we need to look for are ceramides, fatty acids, and cholesterol. Those are the three most amazing beneficial ingredients for your skin and your skin barrier. So the reason those are so important is because that's actually exactly what your skin is made up of. Cholesterol, fatty acids, and ceramides. All three of those combined make up your skin and your skin barrier. So when you apply a product that has those, your skin is going to take it in and actually use those ingredients, and it's going to repair any damage to your skin, any damage to your skin barrier. Now the thing with those ingredients is they actually have to be in a certain ratio and percentage for them to really be, easily used in the skin and give you the best results. So that's where it really comes down to formulations and the delivery system and all of that stuff too, because those particular ingredients have to be used in certain ratios together so that your skin really, really gets the best benefit. It's going to heal itself. You're going to get the most amazing, beautiful skin barrier, and your skin is going to be hydrated from within. So when I'm looking for a moisturizer, that is exactly what I'm, looking for. And I can tell you guys that my skin barrier is amazing because I use products like that that really help to heal any damage to my skin barrier. Now, our skin barrier is honestly under attack all the time. Many of us are walking around with a damaged, irritated skin barrier, and you don't even realize it. And a healthy skin barrier is so important. I probably sound like a broken record because I talk about that on my channel all the time, but a healthy skin barrier is like number one when it comes to healthy skin in general. So many of us are over exfoliating or using too harsh of products or products that are not right for our skin, and you're just over scrubbing and just doing way too much damage to your skin. The sun, pollution, there's just everything like is surrounding and attacking our skin barrier on a daily basis. And if you have a broken down skin barrier, your skin is not gonna look, you know, plump and hydrated and healthy. A skin barrier that is intact is gonna actually lock your moisture in, and you're not gonna get any like moisture loss out of your skin. So your skin is just gonna, you know, really be more plump and hydrated, you know, naturally. Healthy skin barrier, #1. So again, we need to use products that are gonna really help to repair our, you know, skin barrier on a daily basis. Okay, so my favorite products that really achieve that, and these are all tried and true. I have used these all. They're all amazing. So good. All of these have the cholesterol, the fatty acids, and the ceramides all in the exact ratio that your skin needs. So one that I've always talked about, well, this brand I've talked about many times, Sente, the Ultra Nourish, the Dermal Repair Ultra Nourish, and the Dermal Repair Cream. Both these are fabulous for, again, really creating that hydration from deep within. Your skin is going to be so just hydrated and plump. Your skin barrier is going to be amazing, and it's not a temporary moisture. Like the clinical trials and the studies that I've seen with this brand show the amount of hydration like that your skin is naturally producing on its own from deep within. So these really go to work for you, and I've talked about these many times on my channel, but these all have the actual, you know, again, ratios and the ingredients that your skin needs. Then we have the Skinceuticals Triple Lipid Restore 242, and I love this because this actually tells you the ratio, the 242. That is your 2% ceramides, 4% cholesterol, and 2% fatty acids. Again, the exact ingredients in the proper ratios in the most amazing formula and delivery system that your skin is going to take in and use and really create that healthy skin barrier. I love the Skinceuticals Triple Lipid Restore. Triple Lipid Restore, that's a little tongue twister there. I have talked about this, I've used this for years as well. It is so amazing. Again, really hydrates from deep within, and your skin barrier is just gonna be so super healthy. This product I actually just talked about on my Instagram. I did an Instagram reel using this. It's the Neogenesis Barrier Renewal Cream, and the price point on this is so insanely low for how amazing this product is. The science, the technology, the ingredients, the delivery system, everything about this is so good, but the price point is like insanely like amazing. It's kind of shocking. I probably shouldn't say that because they're gonna raise their prices, but it's so good, you guys. And again, this has the cholesterol, the fatty acids, the ceramides all in the proper amounts, the proper ratios, and your skin barrier is going to soak this in. This moisturizer is bomb, and again, deeply hydrating. So I love this one. Such a good product, you guys. And also the Truth Treatments, the Omega-6 Healing Cream. This is so, again, so deeply hydrating and healing for your skin. This is loaded with omega-6, which omega-6 is a fatty acid. So fatty acids, this has cholesterol in it as well, and then also does have your ceramides too. Again, all of the necessary ingredients. All of these brands that have these type of moisturizing products for your skin barrier, they know where it's at, guys. These are what you should be looking for, hands down. So the Omega-6 Healing Cream, such a good moisturizer, but also again, if you have like a burn, if your skin is like completely irritated, products like this, like the Truth Treatments here, it's gonna actually heal your skin. So you will see like such a change in your skin. Omega-6, I have to recommend that. It's just so good. Then the last one I want to recommend, this one is actually a little bit different. It does not have the cholesterol, the ceramides, the fatty acids in it, but I have to mention it because it's so good, and I've relied on this product for years, and it's the Osmosis Immerse. And if you've been around my channel for a long time, you've heard me talk about this before. Now, this is the old bottle. It comes in like a new dropper form, but I have a bunch of the old ones yet that I'm still working through, but they did change up their packaging in case you have the newer version. The Osmosis Immerse is actually emu oil, and emu oil is so good, you guys. This product alone saved my skin in the past when my skin was like really irritated. My skin barrier was broken down. I was dealing with like rosacea issues, and I was just really trying to repair the skin barrier, you know, of my skin. I started using the Osmosis Immerse, and it was like a complete 180. It really hydrated and really repaired my skin barrier. And it's really interesting because I started like really researching emu oil and all of the benefits, and it's just that. It's super healing to your skin. It is very anti-inflammatory. So it really does a lot for your skin, and it does heal your skin barrier and hydrate your skin from within at the same time. So I really wanted to mention this because not only did this, you know, really save my skin in the past when my skin was just like terrible, but I still use it to this day. And it's just like a light kind of like, I mean, it's like an oil-based product. Emu oil is like an oily, more consistency, but it's very light and it kind of just absorbs into your skin and sinks in. But I just love the benefits of it. Emu oil is the reason that I started like researching it after using this product, is what made me come to find the Purple Emu brand that I brought on to Skin Truth as well. I carry all like the emu oils and stuff if you want straight, pure like emu oil. Because the benefits, research the benefits yourself, you guys. Like, it's so amazing for your skin. So I had to throw this one in here because it's not along the same, exact ingredients as what I typically look for in like a moisturizing, skin repairing type of product. But this truly does wonders for your skin. Like, so anti-inflammatory, again, which is what osmosis is all about. Hydrating, but honestly, it will repair your skin barrier at the same time. So I love that one. So those are my, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 top 6 favorite moisturizing products that are going to truly work for you, truly heal your skin, heal any damage to your skin barrier, and give you plump, healthy, hydrated skin, which we all want, which we all need to have the best skin of our lives. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a quick look at, actual ingredients that you really need to be using, products that have those exact ingredients that I definitely, recommend. I swear by all of these. I will link them all down below for you guys, along with like coupon codes and stuff like that. They're all on my skintruth.com website. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, but please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Also, let me know what other skincare videos, what do you want to see? What do you want to see next? Do you want to see, we just did favorite moisturizers. Do you want to see favorites of another, kind of skincare product? Like, you tell me, what do you guys want to see? But that is it for today, guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.